Before the release of Boruto manga chapter 52 on November 21st, we have a major news that might potentially change the future of this series. Hello and welcome to Under YZ. My name is Soham and in today's quick video, let's talk about this. So this news was actually broken to us by the official Twitter for Naruto Boruto, and according to the translations given to us by the Twitter user Abdul Zoldyck, we have the following news. He says that, breaking, Masashi Kishimoto will take charge of the script writing for the Boruto manga starting from Boruto chapter 53. Mr. Ukyo Kodachi has announced his departure from the position of script writing for the manga. Moreover, it goes on to say that the structure of production will be changed and work will start from the beginning with accordance to this new schedule. To Mr. Kodachi, who is the scriptwriter till now, thank you very much for your hard work. The serialization from henceforth will be in accordance to the original drafts of Masashi Kishimoto sensei. This is huge. This is really huge. Because first of all, the original creator of Naruto is coming back to work on Boruto. So of course this is going to be a very huge news. And currently we are possibly in one of the most important arcs of this entire series in regards to the Kara organization and the entire Otsutsuki clan. Because the stuff with Ishiki Otsutsuki is going to be very interesting and very important as a whole. I mean, if you're reading the manga, then you don't need me to tell you how important all of this is. And now that the original creator is coming back, we are possibly going to see something more. I know that a lot of people will say that this will possibly give rise to some plot holes or something, but overall I'm really happy to see Kishimoto is getting back to work, and this is going to be very interesting. Of course, in the past, Kishimoto was working on another manga series called Samurai No. 7. Personally, I had not read it, but I had heard some good things about it in the beginning, but now he's finally coming back to the Boruto Naruto series. My only pet peeve here is that I hope that Sada doesn't go back to her original dress. That was not good. That was really not good. Her second dress in the manga is far superior to the one which she had in the beginning. And after reading this news, I can also hope, like it's not clear, it's not stated right now, but we can hope that at least we'll get this manga bi-monthly now. That would be really amazing. I just hope that this manga becomes bi-monthly from now on. How epic it would be if this series releases like 2 consecutive Sundays or 2 alternating Sundays. That would be totally amazing. But we have to wait and see for that particular news. But either way, today's big news is that Masashi Kishimoto is finally getting back onto the Boruto series. So this is it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts about it? Are you excited for the return of Masashi Kishimoto to Boruto? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Wonder YZ and I'll see you soon in the next video.